Heaven's leaking through the curtain, its origin uncertain. Songs seeping through a portal. Is it from that microwave? From my kitchen to Sedona, where all the leaves are greener. There's birds singing in the sunbeams and laughter in the air. I'm basking in the presence of unsymmetrical super soul's quintessence. It's in essence a feeling that's ineffable as heaven. But down here on earth, we're unequivocally immersed in disturbance at work and deal breakers that hurt. I guess we'll just keep going, though we don't consent to towing all that pain. It's insane, but we're still in the game and ready for a change. Love is sweet when unexpected, and etheric lines connected me and you out of the blue into the reason that we came, with love dripping from the faucet. Temporarily lost it when I thought to myself, it's not for me.